चलिए इस वीडियो में हम लोग क्वेश्चन 6 to 10 देखेंगे, ठीक है। जनरल स्टडीज 50 क्वेश्चन सीरीज चल रहा है, पार्ट 2, क्वेश्चन 6 to 10। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, रियाल इज द करेंसी ऑफ विच कंट्री? रियाल इज द करेंसी ऑफ सऊदी अरबिया, ठीक है। यहां देखिए क्या बोल रहा है, हाइलाइटर ले लेते हैं। हाँ, रियाल, Saudi riyal is the currency of Saudi Arabia. One Saudi riyal equals to 21.21 Indian rupee. Riyadh is the capital and main financial center of Saudi Arabia. It is on a desert plateau in the center of the country. पाकिस्तान का करेंसी क्या है? पाकिस्तानी रूपी। रोमानिया का करेंसी क्या है? रोमानियन ल्यू। अंगोला का करेंसी क्या है? अंगोलियन क्वांजा। ईरान का करेंसी क्या है? ईरानियन रियाल। कतर का करेंसी क्या है? कतरी रियाल। यूनाइटेड अरब अमीरात का करेंसी क्या है? दिरहम। इराक का करेंसी क्या है? इराकी दिनार। कुवैत का करेंसी क्या है? कुवैती दिनार। बहरीन का करेंसी क्या है? बहरीनी दिनार। क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, द कॉलर ऑफ द व्हील इन द इंडियन फ्लैग इज ब्लू होगा, ठीक है। ब्लू, द कलर ऑफ द व्हील इन द इंडियन फ्लैग इज ब्लू। In the center of the white band in a navy blue wheel, the wheel that represents the chakra, ठीक है। Its design is that of the wheel which appears on the abacus of the Sarnath lion capital of Asoka. Its diameter approximates the width of the white band and it has 24 spokes. The ratio of length and width is 3:2. One more time, देखिए क्या बोल रहा है। In the center of the white band of the flag is a navy blue wheel that represents the chakra. Okay, अब देखिए इंडियन फ्लैग जो है इंडियन फ्लैग्स डिजाइन इज दैट of the wheel which appears on the abacus of the Sarnath lion capital of Asoka. Its diameter approximates with the width of the white band and it has 24 spokes. The ratio of length and breadth of the flag is 3:2. The top saffron color indicates the strength and courage of the country. The white middle band indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The green shows the fertility, growth, and auspiciousness of the land. The national flag of India was adopted in its present form during the meeting of the Constituent Assembly held on 22 July 1947. The ratio of width of the flag to its length is 2:3. It became the official flag of Dominion of India on 15 August 1947. The Prime Minister hosts the national flag at Red Fort on Independence Day. Pingali Venkaya is the designer of the Indian national flag. Clear है? Next. Question number 8. Who translated Vande Mataram into English? श्री अरबिंदो घोष। श्री अरबिंदो घोष क्या है? श्री अरबिंदो घोष translated Vande Mataram into English language. After translation, it was first published on 20th November 1909. Vande Mataram song. This is song composed by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in Sanskrit Bangla mixed language. This song was published in 1882 as an underlying song in his novel Anand Mat. In this novel, this song is sung by sannyasi named Bhavananda. Its tune was composed by Yadunath Bhattacharya. It takes 65 seconds, 1 minute and 5 seconds to sing this song. Arvind Ghosh. He was a yogi and philosopher. Arvind Ghosh was born on 15 August 1872 in Kolkata. Arvind Ghosh participated in the freedom struggle as a revolutionary in his youth. Arvind Ghosh established an ashram in Pondicherry. Satyajit Ray was an Indian film director. He is counted among the best film directors of 20th century. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is a world-renowned poet, literature and philosopher. Rabindranath Tagore is also known as Gurudev. Rabindranath Tagore is Asia's first Nobel Prize winner. Rabindranath Tagore's famous book is Gitanjali. Clear है? Next, ninth number. One chat one chapter usually falls on this day. अब देखिए यहाँ dates of the national calendar have a permanent correspondence with dates of Gregorian calendar. First Chaturday falling on 22 March. 22 March आंसर ये हो गया. Normally and 21 March in leap year. क्लियर है? क्या बोल रहा है? Dates of the national calendar have a permanent correspondence with dates of the Gregorian calendar. First Chaturday falling on 22 March normally and on 21 March in leap year. The national calendar based on the Shaka era with Chaitra as its first month and a normal year of 365 days was adopted from 22 March 1957 along with the Gregorian calendar for the following official purposes. Gazette of India, news broadcast by All India Radio, calendars issued by the Government of India, government communications addressed to the members of the public. Month names Chaitra, Vaishak, Jes, Asad, Shravan, Bhadra, Aswin, Kartik, Agrahayana, Pos, Magh, Falgun. Clear? Next. Satyamev Jayate is taken from Munduk Upanishad. The Munduk Upanishad is the source of the phrase Satyamev Jayate. It is the national motto of India. It appears at the bottom of our national emblem with 4 lines in Devanagari script. Satyamev Jayate literally means the truth alone triumphs. From the above, it is clear that Satyamev Jayate is taken from Munduk Upanishad. The literally meaning of Upanishad is being seated at the feet of the Guru to receive the teachings. It is written by different sages between the period from 1000 to 1500 BC. The Upanishads impart philosophical knowledge and spiritual learning. There are 108 Upanishads. Rigved related Upanishad, Aitreya and Kausitaki. Samved, Chandogya and Kena. Yajurved, Taittiriya, Brihadaranyaka, Katha and Shvetashvatara. Atharvaved, Mundaka, Prasanna and Mandukya. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad provides the first preference to the idea of rebirth. Later, the idea appears in a slightly fuller form in Chandogya Upanishad. It is one of the oldest Upanishads. देखिए क्या बोल रहा है? Vedas and related Upanishad. ऋग्वेद जो है, ऋग्वेद है, इसमें कौन से उपनिषद आता है? ऐतरेय एंड कौशितकी. सामवेद में चंदोग्य एंड केना. यजुर्वेद में तैत्तिरीय, बृहदारण्यका, कथा एंड श्वेताश्वतारा. अथर्ववेद में मुंडका, प्रसन्ना एंड मंडूक्य. क्लियर है? थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब.